Hey guys, I just made $400 in less than 30 minutes day trading some options here. I'm Dave Santarelli from Breaking Chart Alerts. It's our job to help you become a better and profitable trader by trading live with us and going through our app and through our website here through our courses. I'm going to show you right now how on Day Trade Friday we go in and out of trades really quick for some substantial gains. Make sure you guys watch the end of this video to claim your free offer.
Looks like SPY's starting to break down a bit. If I make a trade on SPY puts, this is what it's going to be. December 3rd, 458 strike. I could even go down to the 457 if I wanted to. I get about 6 contracts here, the SPY put, if I get into it. And I'll change it to the 457 just so we could capture a little nicer return there. Alright, I'm going to jump in a small trade on it for now. I'm in SPY December 3rd, 457 put. I'm in at $1.35. Gonna see if it holds a 20 in the 50 right here. If it breaks above 459, that would be my exit on that day trade. Always have your orders ready. Like, I already have my order to sell ready to go. Apple's getting a big breakout now, so we might get a little pop. Alright, I just closed that out for a quick $40 gain. You know, it was testing that 20. If she breaks below 458, I'm going to re-enter, but we're out of that trade, locked in some profits on that. Order status, we're out at $1.40. If she breaks below that 458, that's where I'll enter. The reason why I did that is because I saw how it was holding that 10 or that 20 and that 50 right there. So I had a profit on that. I said, you know what? I'll take that profit instead of, you know, right here we were down 70 bucks on that when she was at 458.67. So I said, well, I got that profit. I'll take that in and then I'll re-enter if she breaks below that 458. So if she starts breaking below that 458, I'm going to get right back in and get ready to go here. I got that order ready to go. All I have to do is hit place trade, and then I could be in and out for another quick day trade here if that starts breaking below. There we go. She's breaking below. I just entered. I'm back in those SPY puts. 457 strike, 6 contracts. I'm in $1.62. See if she continues lower. We'll look for about 457. Qs are breaking down sharply here, guys, and look at that. We already got a quick $58 gain right there again. You know, 72. I'm gonna close that out now for a nice gain. That was another one. There we go. I'm out at $1.73. I'll re-enter into that. It came right down to 457.50. Out of that one at $1.73. So there's 2 for 2. And guys, you know, that's day trading. That's what you're looking for. Just those quick little trades in and out to grow your account, especially if you got a small account. And it's all about position sizing. If you got a larger account there, you could be utilizing that 9%. So for example, if you got a $50,000 account, 50,000, multiply that by 0.0, we'll say 7%, between 7 and 12. So 7% is a $3,500 trade, you know? Okay, now let's get back to this. We're breaking down here again. Let's look at the 456 puts that are a little cheaper there. I have this trade ready to go already. I am set. All I have to do is hit place trade. If I decide to enter, that's at $1.27 now. So if she starts failing there, that'd be a nice entry there for a quick little drop back down to that support. She's at $1.22 now. Just watching to see if it's going to fail right here at that 10.20. If it does, I'm going to hit place trade there and jump into these puts. If not, if it starts breaking out, no need to enter. Just pulling back again now. I'm going to jump in just quick for a quick trade here. I'm back in SPY, 456 strike puts. I'm in at $1.25. There she goes, dropping again another $40. I'm out of that $43 gain, in and out of that really quick. That's why I'm telling you, keep those orders ready. We were in at $1.25, out at $1.32. 6 contracts. In 125, out at $1.32. So for the first 15 minutes of the day, we already made 125 bucks in the trade challenge account right here. So you see today's realized gain, $125.01. Now she's still pulling back here on SPY, so I'm going to look to re-enter that if she pulls back. Got my order ready to go. I'm just waiting to see if it's going to pull back. Another $788 trade. You know, this one I might wait a little bit longer if she starts to pull back here. Let's see what she's going to do. I'm looking at Qs. I'm looking at Diamond. I'm looking at the rest of the market, seeing if that's following the SPY. Continuing to pull back here. Let's see what Qs are doing. I'm watching Qs over here. We start breaking below that 450, 750. That's where we're going to be looking for another entry. I got the order entry ready to go. So far, we're 3 for 3 with day trades. Quick in and outs. That's okay when you have this type of volatility in the markets here. These little pop and drops, it's nice because we could take advantage whether the market climbs or if it drops with these day trades. All right, I'm going to jump back into these puts here. Okay, SPY December 3rd, 456 strike puts, up $30 on those already. It's pulling back a little bit here, so, you know, I'm just keeping an eye on that there. Okay, I'm out of that there. Another nice gain, consolidating. I'm out of that. Order status, I'm out at $1.40. Small gains there, but like I said, I don't mind that. We could keep making as many day trades as we want, capturing those quick, you know, $30, $40, $50 gains. Here we go. If we're going and see, look at your balances here. So I still have $2,295 worth of day trading purchasing power in the trade challenge account here. Here we go. We're breaking lower. I'm going to re-enter into those puts. I'm back in. I got 6 contracts, 456 strike puts. Just broke below that 450, 750 support. Already up $65 on that trade. I'm going to exit out of that. $85 gain now on that. I just exit out of that. Order status, I'm out of that trade again at $1.65. In at $1.53, out at $1.65. And she's still tanking there at $1.70 right now. We got out at $1.65. So that's what, like 5 for 5 day trades right there already, you know, and it's only $9.50. You know, we just crossed the $200 mark for the day. We were up $125.01. Now, as you guys could see, we are up $206.35 right now today. And it's only the first 20 minutes of the day. So that's not too bad there. We continue that pace, that's about $500 an hour. I like taking profits quick. It grows the account pretty quick, and it's, you know, much less risky than holding on to it for half hour. But what do you guys like? Let's see. I think we got to get some more SPY puts for today's expo here and hold on to them for a little bit longer. Look at that. We're already up $70 on this new day trade here already. You know, we could sell out of that. I'm going to sell that now. We're up $75 on that. I'm out of that one. I love printing money like that. We were in at $1.68, out at $1.92. $1.92 exit on that, and she's still breaking down. So if you guys wanted to hold on to that, you know, there's nothing wrong with holding on to that. But look at that. Nice, Josh. You just joined us again, too. Josh says you're on fire. Been in and out of every one. I don't even know how many we traded today. We're over $6,000 in the trade challenge account again. Only $1,700 away from new all-time highs there. That's what I mean. You keep doing trades like this. What are we up now? We were up in the trade challenge account. Look at this. 7 day trades, all for gains. All right, so we were up $276. We are now up a whopping $357.58 on the day. That is nice for only a half hour. It's 10 o'clock right now. So in a half hour, we made $357.58 on 7 day trades. That's amazing, guys. That's great. That's what you want to focus in on. You know, people will say, hey, why are you jumping in and out of trades like that so quick? It works. Scalping works when you follow that trade plan and you got that volatility and that momentum on your side. 7 for 7 with day trades today. $357.58. All right, let's do one more SPY here. SPY, let's go with the 432s. All right, they're going for about, how much do I have here? So I could get 2 contracts. Now let me go with the 451s. That's a little cheaper there. I could pick up 2 of those. Buy to open. I'm going to pick up 2 of those while I can. Let's see, did it execute? There we go, guys. I'm in. So I used the last of my purchasing power here on the SPY puts I just picked up. Only 2 contracts. It's only a $240 trade. That's all I have left of purchasing power. I'll hold on to that, see if we get a big pullback on SPY. Obviously, you can see it looks like we're going to drop right back down to that 450. So if we do, that'll be a nice pullback there, and I'll lock in more profits on that one. That's our 8th trade. So that's already up 3%. That's looking good there. But that was nice there. What did we do? 7 for 7 or 8 for 8? I'm not sure what it was, but that was some really nice quick day trades there for almost $400.
Now that you guys saw how easy it is to grow a small trade challenge account that we started with $2,500 to over $6,000 that it's at now, mainly by doing some small quick day trades like I just showed you, I'd like to invite you to come join us in our live trade room and trading live with us on Zoom and in our trade room every single day. You'll get app alerts, email alerts, and text alerts of every trade we're in if you're not able to join us live. Simply go to our website, www.breakingchartalerts.com, and use promo code WINTER to save 35% off any membership plan, monthly or annual. Hope to see you guys in the trade room.